This is the University of Rochester.
Our results are that women find men more sexy in red. And we showed women pictures of men in various colors: red, blue, green, gray, white. And we found that women viewed the men in red as particularly attractive. They also rated them as more sexually desirable. Why might that be the case? We also found that women viewed men in red as higher in status, so more likely to make money, more likely to climb the social ladder, and it's that high status judgment that leads to the attraction. So overall, women who view men in red view them as high in status, and they find that very sexy, very attractive. The basic explanation here is likely twofold. One is a very straightforward learned association. The other is a more provocative biological predisposition. The learned association idea is that I think in our culture we tend to view red as a powerful or a strong color, and so it's straightforward to see women viewing men in red as more powerful, high in status, and then that to lead to them liking them and being more attracted to them. The more provocative explanation is the biologically based explanation, that there's a parallel between human and non-human primates in how they respond to red. So in the wild, female primates view the alpha male, who's typically more red, as more attractive. They are more likely to mate with males who are more red and are alpha males, etc. And we seem to be viewing a parallel here in females. So human females who view a man in red are more likely to be attracted to him, want to engage in sex with him, etc. And they aren't aware of this. It's a very underlying, deeply ingrained kind of tendency. So we say in our culture that men act like animals in the sexual realm. Well, it looks like women maybe are acting like animals as well in that same sort of way. I really don't think we have a cultural sense that red is an aphrodisiac for men. We do have that sense for women. So the lady in red is the sexy lady, right? We don't have the analog in men. We don't have the gentleman in red being provocative or sexy. So I don't think it's something that our culture is aware of. We do, however, have a sense that red is a powerful color. So I think that men know to grab the red tie if they want to give a particularly impactful presentation at work or what have you. And this brings up Tiger Woods. So Tiger Woods wears red on Sunday when he wants to intimidate his opponents. He's done this for years. It's actually known as Tiger Red. So he's a very good golfer and he probably doesn't need to intimidate his opponents. But when he gets to Sunday, he typically wears red, and that presumably is having an effect on his opponents. It makes them intimidated, play worse, etc. It also, based on our research, may make women in the gallery swoon. They may be more attracted to him, which in light of recent revelations is a very interesting concept, isn't it?
This is the University of Rochester.